As one of the hardest working kitchen appliances, a reliable oven is essential. Is it time to upgrade? Here's what you need to consider: fuel, style, size, and price. First, the fuel source. You'll need to choose between gas or electricity. Gas ovens give you an instant flame and therefore heat faster than their electric counterparts. Electric ovens are more common and usually more affordable to buy and install. Next, the style. Do you want a freestanding or built-in oven? Freestanding ovens can be gas, electric, or a combination. They combine your oven and cooktop in one unit. Built-in ovens need to be installed into oven housing, which can be built into a wall of cabinetry or under the bench. Size is also important. The most common oven sizes are either 60 cm or 90 cm in width. The oven height will vary depending on capacity. Double ovens are great for entertainers or big families. Finally, price. On a budget? Look out for a great deal on built-in electric ovens. Want more value? A little extra will get you a multi-function oven with most of the bells and whistles, including pyrolytic cleaning and a choice of colour finishes. Prepared to pay for a premium model? You'll find built-in or freestanding cookers with smart features such as steam assist and air frying technology built right in. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.